Hello everyone, today we will explain summation if function. Summation if function is one of the most important functions of Excel. We can use it to know how many cells for Ahmed of the year. Okay, let's go. We will write equal summation if. We will write summation if. We want to range. Range mean our range. Table range. In this table we will press F4. We will write comma. We want to write criteria. Criteria means the name I want to search about it. Okay, I will search about Ahmed and then we will press comma. Some range. Some range, it is summation range, it is last column, and we press F4 and we close our practice and we press enter. Okay, Ahmed cells is 1600. Okay, Ahmed Hani, we will drag our function. Okay, nice. This is number here equal number here, so this function is right. Okay, thank you for watching, and in the another lesson we will speak about some summation ifs. Thank you and see you later.